I'm a rancher. I raise cattle for a living. I have a cow-calf operation and kind of inherited it. My father was a rancher, and before his father, before him was a rancher, so we've been doing this for 5 generations. And we know it's not going to be an easy life when we start into it, but nonetheless, this is the life that we have chosen. And the bottom line is it's still a great life. But you know, we want to be seen as good stewards, and we want the public to see us that way. I guess other people felt like we were doing a good job because we won several environmental and stewardship awards. The most important people in this country are farmers. We're the lifeline of this country. We provide sustenance for people every day, and I enjoy the challenges. You know, sometimes I believe it's the uncertainty of it. I say I don't gamble. I've never bought a lottery ticket. I've never been to Las Vegas, but I farm. So I guess that makes me the biggest gambler of all. I have a very large family. My wife and I have 5 children. We have 15 grandkids so far. You know, our plan is for the next generation to take over the ranch. You know, we try to start them off where they build an interest in what we're doing. And so hopefully they have the same love for it that we do. And we'd like to be able to pass this on to them later on. I'm trying to build fences right now so the grandkids don't have to worry about fences for a while. Maybe I'm coddling the next generation too much. You know, barbed wire is not an exciting thing. It's barbed wire. But in my business, we notice what a quality product is. I mean, whether it's barbed wire or their field fence, we put up a lot of it. Fencing is a very, very important part of our business, being able to rotate cattle from one pasture to the next. It allows us to control the way our grass is grazed and consumed by our cattle. And it contains our cattle. It keeps people safe. And I'll always buy American if I possibly can. And Bekaert's made right here. You get a quality product in America that's competitively priced too. You know, there's a couple other wires out there that are a little bit cheaper, but you'll regret it because I've put them up and they get loose, cow runs to them, they sag, and they just don't last as long. I'm gonna take up some fences here this year that been there about 10 years, and I should have taken them down 3 years ago. You know, when you're in the fence building business as we are, there's little things that you notice, how well it rolls out. Bekaert wire rolls out without tangling. That means a lot when you're putting up fence. We look at the longevity of fences. That's important to us. What I put up today, I want to know is 20 years from now. And we certainly anticipate this Bekaert wire will be here 20 years from now, and it should. I don't think I'll be around to inspect it in 20 years, but you never know. I try to let companies know what you can do to improve your product, and I don't know what I would tell Bekaert. If you got a good product, keep doing what you're doing.